right, welcome back to the Buffalo News. It's about 5:30 in the morning, Tuesday morning. City's on lockdown. They have tours here all the time, and they set up like a little walking tour. So I thought I would go through some of that. It's pretty cool, I guess. They have little storyboards, and you can stay out here and you can see some numbers here and there, like that number 9. There's a number on there, and the corresponding numbers with these little storyboards. So when they put this thing in, it was quite the undertaking. This press is the biggest thing ever made. The biggest, fastest, most expensive, state-of-the-art press on the planet. So it was a real big deal putting it in. They had to dig pilings into the ground and raise the roof up a couple levels. So if you want to read this, you can just pause it. Even the air conditioning system to cool it down, it was like a real big deal. There goes one of my big bosses, Jimmy Cordero. He's a manager now. He's up in the office. So yeah, that's part of the tour, this hallway. I know that was kind of boring, sorry. So here's a cool picture, and it's double this. This is just half. That exact same thing is also right next to it, so it's twice that big. Machine shop. Hey. Machine shop office, aka the bedroom. That's where a lot of the belt stitching materials are. Here's an electrical panel from the old press that they pulled out. Friggin' antique. Here's a really, really old letter press. This is like back in the 1920s. These are printing plates. If you saw my other video, I did a little thing with these printing plates. Here's more about the printing process. So each color gets a plate, and you use those 4 colors to make any color that you want. And they use what's called a screen or separation. So, it's a percentage of how much density you want. could pause it if you want to read all that. Well, this thing is talking about that antique press that from before. That old letter press. In the old days, the plates, everything was backwards and it was raised. It was a real tough job. They'd have to put each individual letter into this thing one at a time and backwards. So you had to know how to read backwards. So yeah, that was just part of the tour. There's more, but it's on the other side of the building, so I'll do a part 2. Take care.